morning. Car balloon. Alright, nandito na tayo sa meeting place na sinabi ni Sir LJ.
Shaw Plaza?
Oo, sa tapat daw ng Shaw Plaza. Ayan. Yung ride natin ngayon, kung naalala nyo, ito yung ruta nung first ride natin kung saan tayo kumalas. Tingnan natin kung kakalas tayo ngayon. Yung mga nakasama din natin dun sa first ride na yun, sila din yung mga kasama natin ngayon. Yes sir! Morning po, sir. Morning.
Tama tayo dun sa
Yan. Ito din yan. Bali sa Shell din ang bagsak natin ito yun. Yun ang meet up place natin lagi.
Sabado yun.
Pag Sabado yun?
Tayo sa CCTV.
Okay, pag sa linggo pala, pag Sabado sa Shell, pag linggo CPP. CCP.
Oo.
Ayun, hindi pa namin alam yun. Sir.
Thailand. Ay, laro doon.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name, man?
Nizam.
Misam?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See you later.
See you later. No, we're getting dropped.
Guys look strong.
Looks can be deceiving. Nung una nakakangawit eh.
Ngayon?
Nakakangawit sa panga. Ay, sa bagang. Yun.
Tapos sasanay ka na lang.
Mga 4 na ride. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dikit mo! Kaya mo!
Hindi ako ninyo.
Sige!
Titira mo ako sa ahon tapos ayaw mo naman.
.9 na average namin. Woo! So hintayin natin sila sa stoplight. Kaya sila parating. Sorry kung di na makapagsalita. Grabe. Ay, umalis na pala. Ano style yun?
Kada ko sila na eh.
Pagkahulingon ko, wala ka na, nandun ka na rin sa kanila eh. Quick snack. Fuck. Lag. Morning po. So ayun, nadagdagan tayo mga kabayan. Yes sir. Where are you going?
West Coast.
No, Jarwin ah.
Yes. Oh, you're friend of Jawin?
What's your name?
Shout out to Ming, man.
Yeah, my brother just introduced me to Ming yesterday.
I hope we can ride with Ming, man. I know he's strong.
job?
Yeah, I know.
Friday, Saturday, and today. 3 days in a row.
No rest?
No.
No, no good. No good. Can't barely keep up, man.
How about I'm on the team? If I were on the bike,
Morning.
Join us. You ride solo?
yeah, solo.
James. Manjo.
Kiel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nexus.
What's your name, man?
Nexus.
Nexus.
Yeah.
Kiel, man. Alright. Morning. Hindi tayo makapagsalita. Ito na, last stretch. Last stretch na to.
Tell her no stress, no biggie. Baby, I'm just too jiggy. Better know I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it. Put it all on my daddy. Know how I'm coming. And they know what we run around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out. Cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN. Working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out. Cause all of my hitters too deep in. With the boy, I'm so machine. Ain't worried about long as my money and my green. Baby, I ain't got work tomorrow. Tell me what the business is. Ain't about no club hop. I'm trying to start some businesses. Shorty, you thought it was, they better know it's not that. Talking all that online, they knowing that it's not fake. Sliding through my hood, I make maneuvers like a Uber, baby. Got a 10-year plan, these can't tell what they doing lately. And I'm way too clean, I'm Listerine, I thought they been knew it. All in my lungs, I got my red cup full of that in fluid. Young middle Mad Mac, I'm swinging that leg, I'm banging that do or die. And I ain't that legally before I get crucified. Living in my bloodline, this place in my family tree. They placed, I did my best out of what they handed me. Straight out of that country, no
So
my
dito na yung finish line. Meron tayong average na 32.2. Woo! Kaya hindi ako makapagsalita kanina eh. Grabe yung takbuhan eh. Hindi nga mo kasabi dito sa AR Racing ba yun? Yung Alpha Racing?
Kumalas ka rin doon? Kumalas ka rin?
Hindi nga ako umabot, di ba tinry ko habulin? Tinry ko nga sila habulin eh, di ba? Alright, hintayin namin si Tito Dennis dito sa La Pasat. Nahuli kami sa stoplight eh. Oo. Literal na kalas.
Pero start.
Sa CCP. CCP din kami nag-start. Andun kayo?
Yun ako sa may crematorium.
Nagkita kayo sa Shell, ba?
Sila yung mga harabas.
Pero actually, halo-halo na rin actually.
Okay.
Unlike dati na sobrang dami na.
Sabi nga dati.
Eventually, nag-dismiss eh. May iba, uwi na.
Okay. Yung isa sir, Kolokoy ba? Kolokoy. Grupo din ba yun? Okay. Kayo din? Okay.
Kahit saan.
Halo-halo na, no? Ayun sir, una kami. Una na po kami. Nice ride kuya. Kiel po, Kiel. Kayo po.
Joy.
Joy. Sir, ang pangalan sir? JB. Nice to meet you po. Opo, kaya Jun. Sir, kaya Jun. Next time ulit, guys. Next Sunday po, next Sunday. 6:15, Manday. Okay. Nice to meet you po. Nice to meet you, sir. Una na po kami, sir. Okay, ride safe po. Kaya Jack. Babalik na tayo ng hotel kasi si Tito Dance dumiretso na doon. Konti na lang to.
15 days na lang to.
Alright, yun na. Makikita nyo na lang yan. Yan o. Vlog ko na lang yung pauwi. Normal naman yan. Palagi na natin ruta to eh. So, palagi nyo na rin na ito. Hello, morning. Palagi nyo na rin ito nakikita.
It all on my my debit. Know how I'm coming, and they know what we hit around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out, cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN, working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out, cause all of my hitters too deep.
Yan, sorry ka Julie, hindi kami nakasabi. Naiipit kami dun sa ano, maraming iba pang hindi na ano natin, yung shortcut natin. Akala namin papunta Malaysia. Wala pa yung passport. Magbibihis na kami tapos mag-aalmusal na. Tito Dennis, hayaan mo na yun. Tito Dennis. Nalog-lag pa yung camera.
Ano ba naman kasi pinagagawa?
Kaya binibigay ko sa'yo yung sneaker eh. Maingit kasi yung hub. Eh, may mga natutulog pa. Be considerate po. Sir, nice ride.
Thank you. Nice ride.
Ano ruta mo?
Ano ako, namasyal-masyal ako. Gusto kong makabisado yung mga ano rito.
Explore. Alright, so kakain na muna kami. Ayan, kumakain na sila. Once again, thank you guys for watching and see you on the next ride. Peace.